Alright, for this video I've determined that I'm going to have to come in 10 inches from each end of the pipe to attach my wall bracket, and that'll allow me to hit the wood studs, which are usually spaced every 16 inches. So first, I'm going to measure in 10 inches, set my bracket in place, and always notice that you want to, if you're going to keep it on the edge, go on the inside edge or the outside edge, but you want to do the same on both sides. Then to make my mark, I go ahead and put a screw in the end of my bit. They are 410 stainless, so they are magnetic. And then it's just as easy as starting it, and it gives you, makes that mark. And you take it away, you see your mark. Take your 5/32 bit, get this out of the way. Take your 5/32 bit, right in the mark. Take the bracket again, set it flush, make sure it's nice and tight. Make your second mark. Remove the bracket. Line up on the mark. Okay, get shavings out of the way. Go ahead, grab your bracket. Holes are correct. Now I'm using an impact gun here. If you choose to use an impact gun, make sure you go very slow and light. Okay.
You doing the how-to video?
I am. Alright, then we start with the second screw. Very light. Go back and tighten the first. And our first bracket's in. Okay, next, we'll go ahead to the other end. And for this video, I'm going to slide this down. Normally I just move down, but there we go. There we go. 10 inches in. Set the edge of our bracket 10 inches. Okay. And there we are. Now this is very important. Notice that we want to make sure that the brackets are straight from one another down the pipe. And the easiest way that I've found to do that is hold on a 100% level surface, hold this bracket right against the surface, in this case the ground, the concrete floor, and then I'm going to hold this. Now, both of the brackets are flush as if it was against the wall. I'm going to make my mark, remove the bracket, hold it, and let's go ahead and check that measurement. 10, there we go. Perfect. Okay. Alright, holding that in place. Let's check. Make sure this is going to be flush again. And usually, I'll go ahead and start this a little bit to hold it in place. Let's see. that. Make a mark. Okay. That looks good. Let's double check. Make sure that it's going to line up. And that is good. We measured for 10 inches in. Okay, we can drill our final hole. Okay, final hole. Make sure we're lined up. Everything looks good. Fastener. Again, it's a 1/4 inch bit. Because I'm left-handed, I always do the left side first. Okay, then we double check. Perfect. Grab our end caps. And you probably can't see this, so let's go ahead where you can see it. Okay, it's very important when you put the end cap in that you start it out evenly. Okay, then take it on soft carpet on a hard surface, straight down. Oh. See, no scratching. Oh wait, oh yeah, no scratching. And it gives it a nice clean fit. Again, I'll do it again on this end. Make sure the prongs are uneven. There, that's good. Like that. And down. Okay, now we have a fully assembled handrail and we're ready to attach it to the wall. Thank you.